Like, who wants a button? No one asked for buttons. We don't want them. We don't need them. It's just so much harder. Jeez, zippers are so much easier.
Then she met me at the college.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, like that, I'm Steph, and this is my YouTube channel. I have been needing to clean out my closet for a while now. I think the last time I cleaned out my closet was the last time that I made a video kind of like this, which was maybe like a year ago, I think, that I filmed that video. I actually got this video idea from one of my new favorite YouTubers. Her name is Javi. Literally, I filmed a video, uploaded about a week ago, and there was a segment in that video where I was literally crying because a pair of jeans didn't fit me anymore. So I was like, thinking to myself, I don't want to keep things in my closet that just don't serve me or just like don't make me feel good. So this is what this video is for. I'm already sweating right now and I have the AC on, so I can imagine by the end of this video I'm gonna be like super sweaty. So yeah, let's just get into trying on the jeans. So these jeans are from Forever 21. Bought them about like a year ago, mostly for like the design that they have on the back pocket, which is like kind of a rainbow stitching. I love this kind of fit of jeans on me that are a little bit flare, really flattering with my body type and shape. I'm also like a more petite girl with like maybe thicker legs and bum, and I just think that they give me like a really nice shape. So I think that I'm going to get rid of them because I've just worn them so much. Stitching, although it makes them cute and unique, it doesn't allow me to kind of mix and match them with a lot of outfits. So they have some paint stains on them because I wore these jeans while I was doing that one DIY project for my mirror and my furniture. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll leave it somewhere here. But I just don't think that they are gonna last me much longer in my closet. The pair of jeans that I have on are these Princess Polly jeans. They have this asymmetrical kind of button up detail. They are very similar to the Goldie jeans. I think that was the brand that kind of originated this trend. If you guys want to see like a full review and what I think of these jeans, I actually did a haul with them and I'll link it here. Right now, I am gonna keep them because I like the material, but I am going to try to see if I can get these altered because the fit is not really my favorite. Okay, next up are these Forever 21 jeans. They're more like jegging style. They have like a high-waisted fit and they have a zipper on the side. I've had them for about maybe 2 years now. They're super comfortable and I've worn the shit out of them. However, I think it's time for me to get rid of these and just find a nicer quality pair of jeans that give me the same cut and fit. And like the size discrepancies in Forever 21 jeans, like within them, are kind of crazy because these are 27 and I think that the other pair of Forever 21 jeans that I have are 25. So honestly, don't even pay attention to the number. Pay attention how they fit on you because I think that like the numbers honestly like don't make sense and they're kind of irrelevant. This pair of jeans is probably my favorite pair of skinny jeans that I own. These are from Topshop. Is when all the girls on YouTube were talking about Topshop jeans and just how good they were. And honestly, I can attest to the fact that these jeans are nice quality, and I feel like even in the points of my time where I had gained weight or lost weight or fluctuated in size, I feel like these jeans kind of have stretched and shrunk with me. They are I'm definitely keeping these jeans. I think that they are some of the nicest ones that I own, and honestly, they have seen me through a lot of shit in these past couple of years. So I definitely, like, they have some history to them. Jeans in these closets were like sisterhood of the traveling pants type of jeans. These jeans are it. Okay, so this is, I think, my one pair of Zara jeans that I own. They're not my favorite. I think they look really nice on the butt, but honestly, from the crotch to where they hit on the high-waisted section, they are just so short in this section for me that like if I sit, it just like pinches like everything. It's just not comfortable. These jeans I think are gonna go, and I think I need to replace them with some black jeans that actually fit me nicely. Natural light, so just bear with me because I'm gonna have some shadows and some problems. So these are the only pair of white jeans that I actually own. Really cute. I love like a monochromatic look. I think that everybody should have a pair of white jeans. These are from Bershka. These don't have much of a stretch to them. You kind of have to get your true size. And I honestly prefer jeans that have stretch to them because they are just so much more comfortable to wear. I would have preferred these jeans a lot more if they didn't have the rip, just because I feel like I'm kind of over distressed denim right now. I still have a lot more wear that I can put into them. So I'm still gonna keep these because I think that everybody kind of needs a pair of white denim in their closet. I feel like you need a white, a black, and just a classic blue. So the white is definitely safe. Okay, another pair of straight leg denim jeans. I know there's a trend going on. They have the right fit for me. They're also not like mom jeans. They're pretty tight. They're not like a loose fit jean, but they do have kind of more of a straight leg, which is kind of the style that I prefer. The only problem is that I've worn the shit out of them and there is a hole in them on the waist. I think these jeans are gonna still stay in the rotation. As long as I can fix the hole on the hip, I think we're good. So these are, I think, my only pair of colored jeans that I own. Kind of jegging jeans. They're not like a denim material. These pastel colored denim is very appealing to me. I love anything that is these lighter tones in denim. These jeans are gonna give out on me at any moment because I feel like they're already starting to wear on the butt part of them. Like I just feel like if I did like a really good squat, they would just split right open. Little high knee action. I think these jeans are gonna be done. So these are definitely gonna go shortly. For my last pair of jeans, these are again also a straight leg denim, more high-waisted fit, although actually I wouldn't call this high-waisted. I think these are kind of more like medium. From Forever 21, these are their mom fit jeans. But honestly, I don't even know why I have these. Jeans that have the button-up style, like I just don't like them at all. They're just so uncomfortable. Fit weird overall. Like I feel like they don't have an allowance for someone who has a little bit more curve. They fit okay everywhere except on the butt. On the butt, I feel like I'm just like so sucked in tight that like if I make any movement, it's just like gonna rip. Again, the crotch length from the bottom to the top, I feel like is so short for me because when I kind of sit, it just like pulls everything up and it's just so uncomfortable. So I think these ones are gonna go, but I'm sure that there's somebody else who would love the fit of these. Curve in the bottom half and just like thicker thighs and all of that. This fit just isn't working for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got like a look into my closet. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up because it does really help and support my channel. Comments are so important as far as like the algorithm and analytics and all that kind of thing on YouTube. So if you guys could please leave me a comment down below, even if it's just an emoji, like honestly anything, comment down below. I would be so happy to respond to you guys and talk with you guys a little bit more down there in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you are not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah. I hear you like pizza and damn.